Today we're going to show you how to replace your BMW 2 Series Key Fob Battery. All you're going to do is press that button on the side or release the emergency key there, and then you can see there's a little slot. We're going to take our key fob and we're going to put our key in the end there in that slot and then push and twist. That's going to remove the back cover. Now we can go in at either side from this and we're going to pry the battery out from the left or the right. We just put our key in once again, push down and pry, and that's going to remove that CR2032 battery. Now we need to use a replacement CR2032 battery. We've got a link to these in the description below, so check that out if you want to support us. And then you're just going to push that in place, and you're going to take your key fob replacement cover and put it on the back here, slide it in place and press down. Then you're going to take your replacement key or your emergency key right there and slide it into the key fob. That is how you replace your BMW 2 Series Key Fob battery. We hope you enjoy, and we'll see you next time. Give us that thumbs up.